Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So day number 10 for me today in my quarantine hotel, and I have to say that it starts to be a little bit boring, guys. I'm here sitting alone all day, but hopefully you are here, so you are the reason why I'm waking up every morning, guys, to give you an AMC update. So let's get into it. And yes, so what did we have? Yesterday was a red day, guys. Some bearish move happened. So in my previous video, this was totally expected. So once again, I had a few scenarios. I have some of you, by the way, that in the comments, are saying, yeah, basically you have three scenarios: one going up, one going down, one going sideways. But guys, this is what is trading. All right, you always have different scenarios with different associated probabilities, but you have some triggers that tell you if you're heading to scenario 1 or scenario 2 or scenario 3 during the trading sessions. And this is how you actually use technical analysis to set up your trades. This is not an exact science. I cannot know for sure what will happen exactly. I'm just building different scenarios and I'm following them. And this is very helpful to actually enter, for example, long position or to take some profits, stuff like this. So this is what I'm doing, just for those who don't really understand. So here, for example, this is a very nice level, guys, and I told you this yesterday in my Discord to enter a long position. So once again, no financial advice here, only my view, guys. This is what I would do. Here I would be a buyer, and let me explain to you exactly the reasons behind and how to enter this trade. I'm going to basically go through here all the different signals that we're having, and I'm going to see if they are bullish or bearish, and then I'm going to sum up the situation and give you my different scenarios. So here I remind you guys, the first signal that we have is this trend line, all right? Look how this is acting. So just connect. I'm giving you guys here some very good tips. Just connect the highs. All right, here you can see this one I'm not touching perfectly. It's fine because I have more reactions. One more here, and here I can see. So this was the first time I told you guys that we're gonna have some rejection here. We had, and then we blew right through it with high associated volume, which is confirming that this is a breakout, that many traders are using it. So once the breakout is confirmed, then you 90% of the time have a retest. And this is the reason why I told you guys, don't FOMO here. All the area between 38, 40 here, we could be rejected. So it was not the right time to buy. Here it was just pure FOMO, so it was of course not the right time to buy, and now it's the time to buy for me, because now we're having the beautiful retest of this trend line. And it's not only that, guys, the 37 level, it's also another level that I told you about yesterday in my video, guys. It's the typical retracement level of a zigzag. So we had the zigzag, which was my second scenario of yesterday's scenario. And typically those zigzags, they like to retrace to the 50 or 61.8% retracement level of Fibonacci of the previous move up or down. It works in both ways, of course. And here it's 37, right? So we had the reaction here. So this is, to me, first signal breakout, all right, on the daily, strong breakout. Second information, the Fib retracement level at 37. 37 was also, guys, a support level that you can have. You see here, guys, once again, the recent past is the best. So of course here you have 38. So I was talking about 38 as well, but 38 didn't hold. And the next one, then you can see it's here. You have some highs here, one high here. Sorry, I didn't put it perfectly. Here, 1, 2, 3. So in the past week, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reactions before coming here, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 already. All right, so total 11 reactions in the past week. So this is a very strong support, guys, that I told you once again. So there is no guarantee we're gonna hold, but there is an 80-90% chance that we strongly bounce back from here, guys. So this is my first scenario, of course, that we bounce back here with a high probability. What else do we have, guys, here? We also have, so I told you guys this already, the bullish divergences. So you can see the MACD going higher, bam, and the market was here going lower. All right, so we can stop it here. So we have this bullish divergence that is impacting the price action for roughly the same period of the time between the lows. So here, okay, so basically it's gonna stop diffusing here, but it's once to twice. So okay, so this bullish divergence is not impacting the price action that much anymore. to be honest, but we're still having it. It's still good to see those in the moves down. Then another information, very important, guys, is that here, look, we moved doing 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are our different scenarios here? Either we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I showed you guys, or, you know, this is not an ABC, okay? You can see it's not an ABC, right? But we could have a bigger ABC, which suggests that anyway, even if we are to correct lower, so this is my second scenario, even if we are to correct lower, we would still go higher from here. And then we would complete this wave counting, guys. Okay. All right. And then we would go to revisit the lows, probably to 24. And this would be maybe, you know, I don't like to see 5 waves going down, guys, because just for the same reason, I don't like to see 5 waves going up. I like to see 5 waves going up because I know there's going to be an ABC correction and then again 5 waves. If we have 5 waves going down, it's not good, guys. It's not good. It suggests that we have an ABC and then 5 waves again. So we're not there yet. Maybe I can find another counting that is giving me another scenario, but I wouldn't like to see a rejection here. If we have a small rejection, it's fine, you know. So let me go back to the first scenario. Okay. Here it's totally fine to have something like this, okay? Even something deeper, right? I don't know, maybe the 1 is going to be the smaller, the 3 like this, you know, so it's totally fine to have a rejection here. We expect a rejection here. There's going to be a rejection, 90% of probability that if we go from 37 to 50, guys, especially that quickly, we're going to have here a rejection. So it's a nice profit-taking area. I know you guys don't like that, but I'm just giving you day trading tips here. So third information, we have 5 waves here. Then another information, you can see, guys, I have this RSI. So, you know, it's an RSI strategy. I don't usually use this, but, you know, sometimes I want to use RSI and I put RSI strategy. It's this one. And it's giving me, it's funny to look at those because it's giving me the oversold and overbought areas. And here I had an oversold area. So it's giving me a signal, move up later. And then here, it's just interesting to notice that I have one more. Once again, we can have a look at all the signals in the past. And you can see, for example, you combine it by 2. You buy here, you sell here. Okay, good. You buy here, you sell here. You're not making, you're not losing. You buy here, you sell here. You make. You buy here, sell higher. Buy here, sell lower. So here you lose a bit. Buy here, sell here, flat. Buy here, sell here. You loss here. So it's working maybe 70% of the time. And of course, in terms of profits, you're missing the big profits and you're taking the big losses. For example, here you would have bought in May at 12 and sold at 14, guys. And you would have missed all of this. Of course, it's not a good strategy to use by itself, but it still gives 70% around of winners. Even if the losers take all the profits from the winners, it's still 70% of winners. So as I have one signal here, the probability will go higher from here is to me 70% just according to this. On top of that, I have my breakout, I have my 5 waves up, I have my bullish divergence here. So what can I say, guys? I'm of course here very bullish. Then it's always good to look at the past, guys. I want to show you something here. Look, we are a bit in this situation. I showed you already some comparison with this area. Here we were moving, doing 5 waves up, doing the huge breakout here. Same situation, guys, all right? This was just before wave 3. You connect the high, and you can see it's, you know, technical analysis is actually good because you can see here. So we move higher. We get rejected first, then we break it. And then what happens? Oh, interesting. Correction to the trend line, all right? Correction to the breakout trend line. And you can see, guys, it's also interesting to see that it didn't hold. It should have held here. Once again, guys, I'm showing you this example many times, but I think it's very interesting. It should have held at the 61.8, which was around the 10 level, all right? The 975 level, something like this, okay? It should have held, so it's even higher. It's here, guys, okay? And what happened here? So we are here in this situation. What happened here, guys? We broke it and just kept going lower. This was, to me, you know, very, very, very big trick that was here given us by the market. So where is my tool? Okay, this stuff, guys, you guys like to talk about hedge fund manipulation. This was probably one. I don't know what it is, you know, it's just defying all the usual rules that I'm having. So you just learn from the past, and here what I can say is that there is 80% probability we bounce back today. I can also say that in some cases we have some excess, just like we had before. So careful, the next support level is 35. So of course I'm a buyer between 37 and 40, like I said yesterday, because this retest was expected. But I'm careful about some tricks here, guys. So maybe the 35, 37 area would be tested in the for this Friday trading session. And I would still be a buyer, of course, guys, the whole way down. All right, if we need to go here, then we go here. It's of course not my preferred scenario, but it's something that can happen. Okay, we can still hover a bit here and then strongly bounce back. It's of course possible, but it's unlikely. For me, we're gonna bounce back right away. This is my view for today, and I'm gonna try to post this before the open, as many of you are asking. And then, yeah, we're gonna discuss later what's gonna happen in this area, but expect here some selling pressure, and expect a breakout as well during the third wave, and expect to go here, guys, to the highs. If I'm correct about discounting, I think this whole correction is an ABC that is complete, guys, a strong ABC. And that right now we're moving higher. This is my view. This is my preferred scenario. Once again, I'm going to post as every day GME and AMC daily recaps, guys, in my Discord. Just come and join it still for free until next week. And yeah, I'm posting there all the information that I think are interesting during the day. So I'm doing my best to, guide you through my experience of how to, enter your trades, or, just answer any questions that you're having. I'm very happy to do this, actually, especially here because I have nothing else to do. So I'm very happy to answer all of your questions. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you enjoy it, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. So stay close to show, guys.